This is the real story of the birds and the bees. A long time ago, there were two trees that looked so much alike. However, nothing could be further from the truth. In one tree, there lived a family of birds. They kept to themselves, safe in their tree, and never did they venture too far from their home. One day, one of the little birds got curious. He wondered if there was another happy family of birds who lived in the other tree. "Little one," the elder bird exclaimed, "nothing but pain and suffering wait at that tree. You are never to venture towards it." Despite the elder's warning, curiosity filled the mind of the young bird, and the temptation to explore the tree was too much to resist. One day, the little bird left the tree and flew over to the other. This tree was not like his, as it had buzzing bees all around it. One of the bees approached the young bird and beckoned him closer. "Our elder told me you were dangerous, yet you are a beautiful creature," said the young bird. "Are you dangerous?" he asked. "Not at all," replied the bee. "Your elder just didn't want you to know how good our honey tastes. If you knew, you would leave your tree for ours and never go back." "I would like to taste your honey," said the young bird. "You are so beautiful, I would like to stay with you in your tree." The bee motioned for the young bird to follow. "Come into our home, and I will give you all of the honey you desire." The young bird quickly followed the bee into the hive to have his first taste of honey. The excitement of something both delicious and forbidden was nearly too much to take. All of a sudden, the young bird felt a sharp pain as the bees began to sting and eat him. "Why are you doing this?" cried the young bird. "It's in our nature," replied the bee. Death came to the young bird that fateful night, but had he listened to the elder and not let curiosity fill his mind, he would have lived a long and happy life. The end. And that is the real story of the birds and the bees.